I want to bring in now live from the CBOE, Prosper Trading Academy CEO Scott Bauer. And look, you made the comment, I love this. All of a sudden, we're supposed to get back into AI and tech. It's safe. You're saying maybe not so fast.
Yeah, I don't think so fast. And think about what you said right at the top of the hit here, that the NASDAQ and S&P still down for the week, but they're almost up both 2% today. So when I look at this big sector rotation that started, a couple weeks ago and has really accelerated here, and obviously Amazon, Alphabet, with big downdrafts here, is it safe to get back in just because we have a day like today? I would say you have to be cautious. Longer term, yes, I firmly believe in this trade. I firmly believe in the leaders in this sector, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta. It may take a little bit longer to shake out, but that kind of, Cheryl, shows you how fickle the market is right now and how any one kind of news stream report can really trigger the volatility that we have seen over the last week, 2 weeks, with the rotation out of tech, out of AI, into everything that's propelling the Dow.
Well, I don't think that the concerns about CapEx spending are actually anything that we've seen in the last week to 2 weeks. I mean, I think for months now, we have heard that, that concern about these names, especially the Mag 7 in general, but that first it was valuations, and then came the issue of the overall AI spend. And when you're talking about trillions of dollars being spent in AI, the next obvious question that's happening everywhere is, what is the ROI going to be? Is it going to be an investment return for these companies? The bullish side will tell you they have to do the spending. They don't want to get left behind. But the bearish side of that argument, Scott, is that this is kind of a frenzied type of attack as far as building the data centers and doing the spending.
No question about that, but think back one earnings cycle ago, maybe 2 earnings cycles ago, when we were looking at these big AI tech names like an Amazon, Alphabet, and the like. What the street was looking for was actually, were they going to continue the CapEx spending? Not was it too much, but were they going to continue? Now that narrative has totally shifted to, oh no, all of a sudden they're spending too much. So maybe they're spending a lot. Maybe, in Amazon's case, they said they don't have, free cash flow right now. However, to me, that's why you have to stick with the major players in this space, or best in class moving forward. And I would not doubt Amazon. I would not doubt Alphabet moving forward. Are we in a bubble? I don't think we are, maybe, but I don't think we are. And I think this is really an opportunity to reload. And I would guess that by the time we're talking about next earnings, so 3 months from now, we have another sector shift. And these stocks are going to be back to where they were pre these drops.
Yeah, no, I understand this. Investment, investment return, which is my point to you at the beginning of that question. At the same time, I think that these are very valid concerns for shareholders, current shareholders, excuse me, Scott. Real quick, what about the other plays that surround the AI spend, whether it's an energy play, et cetera? What do you make of that? I mean, is it time to kind of look at, if you look at where the money's really been going this year, honestly, it's been small and mid caps, and it's been other sectors, the energy sector, for example. Your thoughts?
Yes. Yeah, and I think we're just at the start of the boom in the energy sector, because if this AI does play out, and obviously that's an if, but if this plays out, we don't have enough energy. We don't have enough power for this. So you can look at that as going hand in hand with this CapEx spending. The reason these companies are doing it is because they believe in it, but they're going to have to get the power somewhere. Yeah. So that is probably the top of my list of what I like moving forward to the next 3-6 months.
Well, according to Elon Musk, we're going to do it all in space with satellites, Scott Bauer. So, there's that. Scott Bauer, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it.